lot about gravity. So here we are having certain examples that are related to the gravity part, and you have seen it in your day-to-day life also. So we are having the important natural phenomena occurring due to gravitation. Okay, the first thing here is we are bound to the earth by the gravity. You know that when the apple fallen down, the Newton suggested that why does it fallen down only, why not in the upper part or any other direction? Okay, so here because of the gravity that the planet, this globe, is attracting each and everything object towards itself. Not only this, but each and every object is also attracting other objects. But because the gravitational force of the earth is greater compared to the other gravitational forces, that is why we do not feel like we are attracted toward other things. Okay, because the pulling force of the earth is so much great that if other thing is also attracting at the same time, at the same point, so we cannot even feel that this anything is also attracting ourselves to the itself. Okay, so now here we are having the second example for this is the revolving of planet around the sun. Because of gravity, it is getting possible that the planets are revolving around the sun, and if the gravity is not happened here, like this phenomena doesn't exist, then we might not be living at this present time. Okay, so because of that only, we all are falling into a solar system, and our planetary system is occupied in a maintained order, and now the life exists on the earth. And because we are in the habitual zone, I have told you that many times that because of the very perfect distance from the sun to this earth, that only gives here a life on this planet. Because if we get too much close, then the heat that we have received from the sun would be more. So again, life won't be able to exist. And if we become a little bit far from the sun, then also life won't be able to exist, because then this planet will become more cold. Okay, so revolving around the sun is very, very important and very, very like natural phenomena, good natural phenomena that gives us a form of seasons and day and night also. So all these things are because of gravitation. Okay, now important natural phenomena occurring due to gravitation. Third point is the formation of the tides in the sea. Okay students, you have seen like this, like if any lake or river part or the ocean are the best example that you have seen or felt that sometimes the water level get low and sometimes the water level get high. Okay, that happens because of the gravitational force between the earth and the moon. You know that the moon is also a celestial object, and it also have certain mass. So the mass of the earth is more, okay, that's okay, but moon is not less. Okay, so the gravitational force exerted by the moon on the earth is get us by the example of these tides. You know, when the moon come closer, like moon is also not moving in a circular orbit only, it is also falling in a elliptical path, like ये कभी दूर आता है और कभी पास भी जाता है, like it is not a fixed path here for the moon. Okay, so now when the moon comes closer to the earth, due to the gravitational force of the moon, the ocean level, the water level get risen up. Okay, if the low tides is here, then it will get high, little bit high. That is why we are able to see that the certain part of the water come towards the shore. Like shore पे आप किनारे पे देखोगे, so water coming more and more towards it. So we can say that it is high tide. Okay, when the moon goes far from the earth, then the water get back. Okay, so we can say that here we are having a low tide. So this is the reason for the high tide and low tide, that is the attraction of the gravitation between the earth planet and the moon.